Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find your starred emails with Google Slides attachments right on your Gmail app. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, these steps will help you save time and keep your important presentations at your fingertips. Let's jump right into it. First, open up the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you juggle multiple inboxes. Once you're in, look up to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap that. A sidebar will slide out, revealing a list of labels and categories. Scroll until you find and tap on Starred. This is where Gmail stores all the emails you've marked as important, which is super handy for locating those must-keep messages. Now, take a look just below the Gmail search bar. You'll notice several filter options. Tap on Attachment. This powerful little filter helps you zero in on emails that actually contain files. No more guessing games. After that, you'll see several types of attachments you can filter by, including docs, sheets, PDFs, and of course, slides. Tap on Slides. Instantly, Gmail will display only the starred emails that contain Google Slides presentations as attachments. From here, it's easy to browse through your filtered results. You can open any email to review the presentation, forward it, or even save it to your Google Drive for quick access later on. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can efficiently track down all your important slides files without having to dig through your entire inbox. Don't forget, these steps work anytime you need to quickly find your starred emails with specific types of attachments. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to try out this trick the next time you're looking for an important presentation. Thanks for tuning in.